What up? Yeah, so it's been a very long time since I uploaded on this YouTube channel. Yeah, we've just been busy with work and life stuff, but today I am gonna make a video. It's not a detailing video. Yeah, we're just gonna make a video on the RX-7. Honestly, this is kind of sad how the car looks like, but today we're gonna make it a little bit better, starting off with inflating the tires somewhat and hopefully pressure washing some of this moss or some of that green stuff that's on there, cleaning out some of the items as well. So we got some air in the tires. Now we're just gonna unload some of this stuff out of the way so we can hopefully try to pull it up like 5 feet just so we can pressure wash it and throw it back inside. Back here. Get inside.
Oh. Oh, my back's broken.
How did you guys move it?
Bro, I'm playing Fortnite, bro. Oh, no, because we were camping in Street Food for like a whole 2 minutes. We're waiting. I'm like, tell me when he's coming. And I was inside. And he was sniping someone else. And he broke the build out. Well, I got
Hold
you,
on. I don't have any more sports mode, guys.
Wait, where's the motor?
Yeah, just like a little bit.
Okay.
Have you guys seen this much?
Right. That's the most the car moved in like 2 years.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, I'm mad because I had this car here for a long time. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna pressure wash some of that moss off of it, get it a little bit cleaned up, and the next time you see this car, it'll probably be in about a week, and we're gonna start the sanding process. Actually, no. Yeah, sanding and vacuuming the interior to get some of that dirty stuff out of the way. I know, man. Out here trying to look like Daddy Yankee.
Yeah.
Yep. Got that fresh cut.
I know. Dame la gasolina.
Alright, so what we did was we pressure washed most of the moss off of the paint. And then next time we're in here, we're going to be vacuuming all of this. And as well as starting the prep for primer. So filling in any gaps like dents with some Bondo, taking some of the surface rust off of here, priming everything. That's really the goal. So this might be like a 20-part series, honestly, because the condition of this thing is so bad. But yeah, now I'm just gonna call my brothers in so they can help me push it back into that spot. So yeah, I'm just waiting on my brothers so they can help me move this thing. You know, they're so strong, so they gotta help me. Hey Neri! I don't know where Daddy Yankee's at, but we're waiting on him. He's the main power around here.
Hey man, that's not fun. You almost left. Okay, ready, set, go. That's all we can do it. Come on, Larry.
But watch it, I can move up.
Ready? Funny, help me from this side. Stop there, stop. Ready? Set. I think it's good. Damn. I think it's gonna be hard to get out there.
Alrighty, well, thanks for watching this video, and yeah, that's all we're gonna do today. And like and subscribe so I can keep making more content and we can actually get this car done. It's been like, what, 3 years? I don't know, 3, 4 years? I don't know. I don't want it to sit there for longer or else they're gonna junk it or something. But yeah, just like and subscribe. Thanks.